Hi, I'm Jane Mitchell, Financial Advisor here at AdviseWise, and I'm joined by Dr. Steve Garth, who's the Chair of our Investment Committee. Today we're just looking at hype stocks. There used to be the dot-com bubble, there was crypto, and now we're coming into AI. And it's how do we approach those sorts of things when clients ask about them?
Yeah, it's a great question, Jane, because hype stocks, as the word implies, is something that people get on board and think, this is fantastic, this is never going to end. If we go back all the way to the dot-com, about 20 years ago, of course, that was, the internet was the new sensation. Yeah. And these companies, they're going to rule the world, which they sort of do. But it came with a huge fall in 2001. It took quite a while for the market to recover from that. And crypto, in a way, is the same thing. Everyone was talking about crypto. Everyone jumped on. Yeah. And then it had what they call a crypto winter, where it fell by about 50%. And you look at the way crypto trades now, it's kind of trading like the stock market, goes up and down. And then most recently, and this is still happening at the moment, Jane, we've talked before about the Magnificent Seven. They're the top 7 stocks on the NASDAQ. In fact, they're the 7 biggest stocks in the entire world, but they happen to all trade on the NASDAQ, and of course they're Apple's and Google's and Microsoft. And they've been part of what we've termed the AI craze. People are all talking about AI, and these stocks have had a phenomenal run this year. But they're kind of hype stocks. They get you to buy in on the hype, on the thought that this will go forever. And it just doesn't work that way.
Yeah, and AI is so evolving as well. It's developing more features. It's now being able to talk. There's graphics. It's just such a big evolving space. So you can get really caught up in that emotion of what it's doing and the craze of what's going to happen in the future.
And it's completely understandable, Jane, that you do get caught up with it. And it may well be the future. There's all sorts of things that we don't know about it yet, like how government regulations might affect it. So there's a lot of unknown factors to do with AI.
So for our clients, we've got part of exposure to those stocks just through our investments. So the underlying investments that we've chosen, international funds, they have exposure to some of that.
The great thing about diversified portfolios, so here's the thing, Jane, the US is about 60% of international markets, and the NASDAQ stocks are about half of that. So in a diversified portfolio like we have here at AdviseWise, you've actually got exposure to all these stocks.
So I'd just like to say thanks, Steve, for sharing those insights, and we will see you at the next quarter update, which will be very soon.
That's right. Thanks, Jane.
Okay, bye.